ya Nairobi nigo baburiwe koba maiso gose gotigana kuria enyama kubwatikana no gwatika kuburaire bokorentwa ni nyameyo kono kuburia kurasa barai babakori emerimo be sector yo bachenu asabaragwa no mulikyo munene wikiombe kya bateresa KNUN said Tanyako
Murai wikiombe kya ba clinical officer oyo manyikaine buna Peterson Washira boigo muliki wikiombe ya kuko George Gibore na boigo nigo bamochire serikali county ya Nairobi asogo sinyokobeka okuigwana na bakuri emerimo be county yo bairane emerimo egento batebire kyabekire obochenu bwe county ase abe boigo koirira ogwateka kwoboroire obumanyikaine buna anthrax obubokorentwa nenyamakuru ase ensemo yemenyama erwarete
Nairobi musile nyama. Don't eat meat from today. Hiyo nyama bado haijakaguliwa na haijapita viwango ambavyo vinakana kukaguliwa.
Abarai babakori emeremo ase sector yobochenu barure ogokurera gochia ase abamenyi be county ya Nairobi gotiga koria enyama ase batebire kubwatekana no mugiro bw'abakori emeremo enyama eyo abamenyi babeire bakoria terikorengwa egento kieire ogwateka kuoborwire bwa anthrax.
Huo ugonjwa inamaanisha kwamba idara ambayo inahusika na ukaguzi wa vyakula na nyama haifanyi kazi. Kwa hivyo nataka kuonya watu wa Nairobi, mkila nyama ya Nairobi, mjue hii nyama haina ukaguzi, mtakula ugonjwa na mnapata madhara makubwa sana.
Viva nurses, viva! Viva! Viva clinical officers, viva! Viva! Viva Numulo, viva!
Abarai abo babakori emeremo ase sector ya Nyagitari bono nigo baruko bure gochia ase omugavana bwe county ya Nairobi na boigo oribwe county ya Marsabit kwene kiangu ikiraniare okugania kwabo na ribarachikwirania gochia ase Chinyagitari na kugenderera kurwa obokoreri.
That it is very unfortunate that we have two counties where for the past about 3 to 4 months the health services have collapsed, but all we can say from the people who are concerned, being the Governor Sakaja, the Governor of Nairobi, and the Governor of Marsabit, they are more concerned with the politics of the day and where to align themselves. In Marsabit County, the health services are only operating at 90%. We have data which we are going to share with you that 90% of the services are not being offered.
Bono baorokirie obwoba bwabo ase batebire kubwatekana no mugiro yo obugima babamenyi bechi county ibere county ya Nairobi amoneri ya Marsabit nigobore asabe anene asaba subati bakuibora na abana bari babwenereta kwenyorera echanjo.
Go to Pumwani Maternity Hospital, a facility that in a normal day sees mothers who deliver safely. 40 to 50 mothers deliver there safely in 24 hours. The impact as of today is that 10 or rather 5 to 10 mothers are now delivering there. So where are the rest of these mothers? Where are they delivering at? On a normal day, Pumwani Maternity Hospital immunizes more than 300 kids from Monday to Friday. So if you multiply 300 per day times 5, you will get the number. So for the last 40 days, where are these kids?
Nigo bamochire serikali ye county ya Nairobi ase ogotumia aborokiwa bare ase amasomo abo batebire batabwati obumanyi boisaine bokurwaria.
Making us mad is that there is budget. They indicated to have a budget. Now we are running a financial period that is halfway, actually almost going to end. We are in the third quarter. They do not want to use this money. Where do they want to direct these resources to? Yes. We want action. We do not want any agreement anymore.
Naitisha mwito kwa governor wa jiji la Nairobi. Namwambia kwamba tuache siasa ndani ya mambo ya hudumu wa afya. Hatuwezi kuwa tumenyamaza na wananchi wa kawaida wanaumia. Wahenga walisema kwamba palipo na fahali wawili wakimenyana, nyasi ndio huumia. Hapa nyasi ambayo inaumia katika jiji la Nairobi ni yule mwananchi mwenye anaishi Korokocho, yule anaishi Kibira, yule anaishi katika mazingira duni ambaye hana pesa za kwenda katika hospitali za kibinafsi.
Nonya nabo nigo bamochire mu governor bwe county ya Nairobi ase batebire buna nigo aberega ko bagosoreria gochia ko babuta emeremo.
We must make it very clear that we are demanding action.
Kwa hivyo tunataka kusikia sauti ya seneta wa wapi? Wa Nairobi. Si namna hiyo? Tunataka kusikia sauti ya mama county wa Nairobi. Esther Basari, si ndio? Tunataka kusikia sauti ya wabunge wa Nairobi. Mnaweza kuwa namna gani mmenyamaza na watu wenu ambao nyinyi mnaongoza wanaumia?
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi irietaria ne Linet Nyambane.